Hey everybody, Crafting Journey here. I've got another unboxing for you. Welcome back to my channel. I am not sponsored by Freddy's, but you know, that's what I had for dinner. So we're gonna make it work. I have a company that I've not unboxed before. They did not ask me to do this. I am not an affiliate of this company. It's Home Craftology. My sister came in and she said, hey, I ordered a couple of diamond paintings from this company. I think you should probably review them. And I said, okay, why not? So she had already opened one. So I'm going to show you, I'm just going to unbox one and then I'll show you the other one that she got because pretty similar. Now it's an interesting website. When I went on it today to prepare for this unboxing, it says 25% off, ending soon. So whatever the prices are, you can get 25% off. And apparently my sister got paid full price. She did not get 25% off. And it took her about 3 weeks to get her order. So let's see what she got. Yes, I turned my sister into a diamond painter because aren't we all enablers? This offers no protection whatsoever to this box. I just hope that company knows this. So the box is a little beat up. There we go. I've actually seen worse. So it ain't terrible. And it is branded. It says Home Craftology on it. Diamond painting kit, 5 dimensions. I don't know what the heck that means. 5D. How do you get what? I don't know. And they have a 60-day money back guarantee. 60 or 90? 60, 90? Let's look. 100 days. Easy return. You can return this within 100 days if you are not 100% satisfied. So if it doesn't get to you and you're not satisfied, when it gets to you, then you can return it. Don't know how you're going to return it, but you can return it. Anyway, it comes in this really nice bag. The last time I saw a bag like this, it was Dreamer Designs, and I think they still do use this kind of bag. It's sort of I'm trying to describe the feel of it. It's not paper. It's just kind of lightweight fabric that you can hold your diamond painting in. It has got a little drawstring, but it is branded. It does say Home Craftology, and Dreamer Design had the same thing. And this is poured glue. Oh, look. They give you a ribbon. This reminds me of Ever Moment with a ribbon. Oh, my cats are going to be in heaven with the ribbon. So this is supposed to be poured glue. And I've already checked the image because I was worried. I saw the image and I told my sister, oh, this, I want to make sure this is not stolen artwork. It's not. This is a stock image. So what else they give you that's kind of unique? Not everybody gives you these. They have a special name for this. I call them parchment paper. It's just parchment paper, but release sheets nonetheless if you want to use this. But these are truly, the release sheets I have are a little bit better made, but this is actually like real parchment paper. So they give you enough to wrap up the painting, cover the painting. Then they give you the instructions for diamond painting. So if this is your first time diamond painting, you get the instructions. Everything you need is in here to diamond paint. You don't need anything else. So this one has 37 colors. They are all here. We're going to check and make sure that they're all here. You get a tool kit that we'll open it. It's like your basic upgrade to your basic toolkit. So you get a pen, the sparkle pen with a squishy, a pink squishy, so I'm okay with that. These cheapo metal tweezers that'll never see the light of day in my house again. I just have enough good tweezers. I don't need to use the cheapy ones. Then it has like one thing of wax, but it's in a little cute little container. I like to keep these containers around to hold little small amounts of diamonds, and then a tray that you can work out of with a little funnel. Now, it does not, the diamonds are separately packaged. I'll show you. So you are going to have to use some type of storage system. Baggies, they don't give you any baggies, but you can use baggies, or you can go to Harbor Freight and buy a small storage container from there. You can go to the craft stores and buy a Doris Ward. I think they might have gone out of business, but they got the knockoffs on AliExpress for the Doris Ward storage containers. There's a lot of storage containers out there, but you may have to, that's probably the only thing you're going to need. Now, sorry for the crinkling. It's packaged really nicely, I will say. They put some time into this. Okay, so this is what I'm saying about these little baggies. This Ever Moment used to do this. They think they still do. So these are all the same diamonds, but they just come in these little baggies. Each separate little bag that you have to open and kit up, and it takes forever. So here's all the little separate bags. I hate that. This is hours of my life I will never get back for 37 colors on a 40 by 40 painting. I'm going to say a good hour just to open all this up. First, we got to check to make sure that it's all here. Good gravy. I'm going to save that because I'm going to put it back. Yeah, but man, then you got to, label your storage system and all that good stuff. So you do get an inventory sheet. It is not a sticker. It is just a sheet. Someone has done some quality control and already checked off the diamonds for me, but I would want to double check for myself that they're all there. Again, it does have the instructions here. It does tell you to double check your diamonds by checking it with the color list. So what you'd have to do is just take the symbol and the DMC and cut that, put it through your Xyron sticker maker, and you can use those little stickers to put on your storage container. But I'm going to fast forward this while I check to make sure all of the diamonds are here. Okay, all of the diamonds are here, and it looks like we've got one of the packages that is leaking pink diamonds everywhere. So hopefully that's one of the packages. Each one of these packages will hold about 200 diamonds. So if the company figures out that you need less than 200, you'll only get one of these packages. So based on how many diamonds they think you need for your painting is how many packages of these drills you get. For instance, there's a heck of a lot of this 3371, which is a dark brown. Now, this is more of a sepia painting, so I'm not going to show you all the colors of the diamonds. I haven't shown you the painting yet. But one of the things I wanted to show you is that this is a self-flattening canvas from Craftology. It is a soft lint canvas. The only thing I'm not crazy about is that the edges are not serrated, so there's nothing to prevent this canvas from fraying, but I don't know that soft lint canvases fray. They might not, I don't know. But it's clearly been cut. There's lines where you can see where they've like whoosh, cut it. So here is the painting. Now, like I said, I did check because I told my sister, did you not check with me? I have the DAC version of this painting that I had already started and never finished. But this particular image comes in a lot of different colors. I've seen it in many, many colors. So this is sort of the sepia type version, where the colors are very neutral, pinks and greens and browns and whites. Yeah, but really, really pretty and very, very nice for a 40 by 40 canvas. I mean, I must say, I'm very impressed. And like I said, it is poured glue. Now, whoops, I'm going to take my phone and go down and show you the symbols. There are dummy circles around each of the symbols, which, you know, that's where they take the symbol and they put a circle around it, which I don't care for that because sometimes the diamonds are smaller than the circle, and then the circle shows through. And most companies have done away with the dummy circles, but they're here, and that's what we call them. Doesn't mean you're a dummy. But this is a really cute, nice canvas. The symbols are very clear. So like I said, 37 colors. They give you a schematic here on the upper left-hand side of your canvas. But this is only 40 by 40. But here's the nice thing about this company now. When you go to the site, you get to pick what size canvas you want. Do you want extra small, extra small? This is considered a small, 40 by 40. You can actually order this image in extra small, which I believe, are they going to tell me what an extra small is? Let's look what an extra. Oh my God, you can get this in a 20 by 20. What? Oh, okay. I wouldn't recommend that. I think 40 by 40 is a good size for this painting. So, and that's a small, but you can get medium large. Extra large is going to give you a 70 by 70. So you can choose what you want for your size. You can choose the shape of your diamond, square or round, and you can choose if you want to order a frame, one of those metal frames where they have the piece that goes on either side of the top, and then it has like the thing that holds it, you know, and then it has a piece on the bottom. It's really cute, a little frame. So my sister chose no frame. She chose round diamonds. She chose a 40 by 40, and it ended up costing her $31.49. Now, for an extra $7.50, she could have ordered a large white divider tray. Nah, she knows I have tons of trays. I don't need to do that. Now I want to see what else she got, because she did order one more. Yeah, let's see. Okay. You do not need to roll this poured glue backwards. Like I said, it is a soft lint canvas. It's going to self-flatten within a few minutes. So what is this? I have to look in the camera to see what it is. Oh, look at that. Okay, so it's an animal print. There's a lion here, a panther, a wolf. Oh, there's another lion. Okay, I see what it is. I'm not mad about this one either in this size. I'm not. Maybe a little tad bit larger. This is a 40 by 50. I might have gone up one more size, but I'm so used to big paintings. You know, this is fine. And look at the colors, those deep blues there. I think I like this, yeah. But my sister's on to me with the sparklers. So she may want to do some, blinging out these paintings, especially with the sepia. I think I would bling the heck out of that thing for sure, because otherwise it's a little dull. So that is Home Craftology. Check them out. The website is homecraftology.com, and like I said, they have lots and lots of choices. They have a sale. You can get it with or without a frame, and upgrades. And they have some supplies that you can order also additionally. And like I said, 100 days money back guarantee if you're not fully satisfied. Now, it does say that it comes with Ziploc bags. I did not see any Ziploc bags with the one that I opened. Now, I don't know if this one came with Ziploc bags. Let's see. We'll give them another chance. Let's see. So now this one has the same thing. All those individual diamonds, but great colors. Oh my God, fantastic colors. But I think I don't know what she did with the toolkit. I think she took the toolkit already. But no, this definitely did not have any baggies in this toolkit, which is where they usually put them. So again, it came with these papers. They call these papers, what do they call them? Butter paper. Somebody's grandma must have called it butter paper at one time. It's parchment paper. I'm actually going to put all these together since it's my sister's. Both of them are my sister's paintings. And we'll just, she uses my release papers that I have in a container. She knows how to diamond paint. She is going to need these. This one goes with this one. This one goes with this one. That one goes with this one. Okay, that is Home Craftology, guys. Check them out. I'm not mad. I'm pleasantly surprised. I'm going to check out and see what else they have. I did kind of like do a really quick glance of a lot of the site, and I did not see any stolen artwork. I could be wrong, but I didn't, at none that I recognize. I mean, I didn't do a full search except for this one, this sepia rose one, because I recognized it, but I didn't recognize any others as being stolen artwork. So as always, when you have one of these companies that you're not familiar with, until you get familiar with that company, just make sure you check and you're not buying stolen artwork. If that's what you're, if you're into supporting the artists and that sort of thing. So guys, thanks for coming with me to check out Home Craftology, and don't forget to check out my channel, Crafting Journey. Every day I do Craft with Me Wednesday on Wednesday Alive, and every day I do Crafting and Crime Daily, where I recap live trials. So I just started a new trial a couple days ago. You're going to want to check that out. Bye everybody.